What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I would cover something different that I usually don't, but if you've seen you're getting more Ethereum or Ethereum Classic, Ravencoin, Bitcoin, whatever you're mining, I wanted to show you guys that their hash rates have been dropping or dropped and try to figure out why. So as you guys know, Chinese government or Chinese communist government is banning crypto mining for all the coins, even Chia, that's hard drive mining. So I thought I would check out some of the hash rates in case you guys don't follow this. So let's start with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently 95 exahash. But if you guys go down to this chart where it dropped as low as 69 exahash, it hasn't been that low since about, I believe, somewhere in July of 2019. There you go, August 2019. So it's been rising since 2019 for almost 2 years. And since this stuff happened in China, and as we know, China has a lot of hash rate in Bitcoin, and every other coin, it's been dropping. So if you're mining Bitcoin, you're getting more Bitcoin right now because when a hash rate drops, difficulty drops, thus you are making more with your equipment. That's as far as Bitcoin. I'm going to cover four. I'm going to cover Ethereum, Ravencoin, and Ethereum Classic. Some of these are not directly affected by that, but I still want to cover them on here just in case you guys are not following this. So Bitcoin hasn't been, it's back to 95 exahash, but on June 28th it dropped to 69. That's the lowest since August 2019. Now on to our favorite Ethereum for some. So Ethereum reached all-time high hash rate May 20th, 687 terahash. You guys can see here. If you look at a 3-year chart, it hasn't ever been this high. But I have it on 6-month chart so you guys can see the rise and the slow fall of it. Looks like in June started dropping very fast. It went down as far as 494 terahash. That's when I made the video. I'm getting more Ethereum, about 25% more. This is why, because it's dropping. As I said, hash rate drops, difficulty drops, thus whatever you're running is making more of that coin. Ethereum is back to 537 terahash, but it was under 500 just a little bit ago since June 26, 2021. So this is giving us opportunity to make more Ethereum, and when it goes up or skyrockets, that means we will make more money. Even though right now it's like I'm only making $1.50 or $2.16 super. Well, if Ethereum goes from 2,200 to 10,000, whatever you made that day, multiply it by 5, which is a lot, almost $8 or $10 if you're making $2 a day currently on a card. So this is good for Ethereum. Now Ravencoin, I don't want to say exactly it's because of China and that's why it's dropping. If you look at these charts right here, Ravencoin spiked to 11 terahash. Yep, this is the highest it's ever been. But this also has to do with the crazy rise of Ravencoin. So I'm gonna go quickly to the Ravencoin chart. So if we look at this hash rate started going up February and started dropping off in May. So if you look at February, this is when its price went up to 21 cents, I believe it is, or 22, almost 23 cents, and that's exactly when almost exactly when this started spiking. So everybody was going from Ethereum Classic, Ergo, Ethereum, everything popping on Ravencoin because the price is going up and it's more profitable. Each block for Ravencoin currently is 5,000 Ravencoin, and it's gonna go down in January when it has its halving. So that's when everybody jumped on Raven, and it was the most profitable. And then we can look at when the price started dropping off. Let's call it May, and you can see the hash rate in May just started dropping off. Now this one is, I believe, more of price than anything else, but I wanted to include because we cover it on the channel as well. So I think Ravencoin is more of a price drop, hash rate drop than anything else, but we are making more Ravencoin now. I remember 1050 Ti this time, I think I was making 5 or 6 Ravencoin when it was 10, 11 terahash. Now I'm getting about 11 to 12 Ravencoin, as I showed you guys in the previous video. And if you look at that chart, if you guys haven't watched the video on better hash mining multiple coins, please do. But you can see here, one card, here we go, is making 8.6 to about 10 Ravencoin a day. Sorry, I said a little too much. 10 Ravencoin a day, up to 14, 15, so 13, 14. So I have only one 1050 Ti running here on Ravencoin. It's almost making 15 Ravencoin, all the way from about 5 or 6 Ravencoin when it was 11 terahash. So that's Ravencoin, and then Ethereum as well. So, Ethereum Classic. So let me pull up the charts for Ethereum Classic, just so we can look at it and compare the price as well. Let's go do a 3-month. Yeah, I think 3-month is the one where it jumped to 147. Okay. So it went from 30s, 20s to 147. So let's look at their chart, 6-month chart, even a year. Let's look at 3 years. It's never been this high, all-time high. Yep, that's now. So if you look at there, it jumped to 27 terahash from, I don't know, 8 or 7, 8, 9. 27 terahash in May. So when was this big pump or the, yep, look, it's May right there. You can see May 3rd, and the high was May 5th, 6th. May 6th. So you can see May 6th is when it went, and then it started dropping on May 7th, May 9th, all the way down. That's when the hash rate dropped and it stayed steady. I mean, I call it steady, but and then it dropped all the way down to about 17 terahash, and now it's holding steady at 19. But the difference from May, when it was at the highest, to now is Ethereum Classic is down to $57 from 146. So I believe Ethereum Classic is also one of the ones that did it because of the price. But Bitcoin and Ethereum and probably some other coins that I don't cover on my channel, it's purely because China, I believe, and these are purely because of price. So whenever price of one coin goes higher, and it goes higher on the profitability on what to mine, that's what everybody looks at. So if you have equipment, you type it into what to mine, and it tells you how profitable it is. So people check that on daily, and when they see one coin spiking, it's above Ethereum, they right away switch into that coin, which I don't do, because the next day or next couple hours Ethereum will be above it. So I'm just trying to collect as much Ethereum as possible. So I believe it hash rate dropped because of the price as well, but it didn't drop that much. Look, you can spike to 27, it's about 22, 23, and then over here it's about 19. So that's way better than, wow, it's almost as much as it was in January 2020, and then it dropped all the way down to even 1.6 terahash. That's the lowest it's been. So this is great for Ethereum Classic, I would say, but I am getting a little bit more Ethereum Classic mining with 1050 Ti, which is great. But if this, after Ethereum is done mining, this will probably go up unless they switch algorithms. They have talks about switching to SHA-256, I believe, or SHA-2, I'm not 100% sure, but switching their algorithms. So that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you the hash rates. With the hash rates going down, difficulty goes down. This is why you've been getting more of that coin that you're mining, not necessarily more profit, but more of that coin, because prices have gone down a lot. So I just wanted to show you guys, to tell you, because I made a video on the Ethereum profits, not profits, but I'm getting 25% more Ethereum than I was before the hash rate drops. So I just wanted to show you the charts and to put those two together to see why I'm getting more. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe. If you have any more questions or anything like that, leave them below. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day.